Drama. Double the money is double the wedding and double the gas, so double the Getty. I'm off for the bench. I told him I'm ready. If I get the blicky, I'm calling it Betty, so I could do petty things. Like shoot the diamond off a wedding ring.
Hey, welcome to my channel. I am Kendra, and this is my YouTube channel, Kendra JC. And right now, I want to talk about these curls for the girls, baby. So, I recently relaxed my hair. It's been like maybe like less than a month. I relaxed my hair. I was natural for going on like maybe like over 12, 13 years. I've been natural. And recently I just couldn't take it anymore because I was the kind of person where I really didn't really know how to do my own hair. I really didn't have the time or the patience either. So it was like my hair will always take me hours all day. Even if I went to the salon and let them do it, I had to prepare myself mentally to be there all day. So I just was like, I'm over it. This way I can like switch it up more and, you know, have more options. So I didn't like really relax it to make it bone straight, but I did relax it just so I can be like a little bit more manageable and more like I said, to have more options. So I relaxed it after 12, 13 years. It's been like a little bit of over a month now. So I did have some grays that was coming in, like maybe like 2-3 years ago. I colored it jet black, but then it started like, now it's starting to get dull and it's growing out and the gray hairs was trying to peek through. So what I did was I did a demi color, and I did demi black, demi I believe 1N, and so just to give a comparison, semi permanent lasts maybe one to two shampoos. Demi lasts anywhere between 10 to 20 shampoos. And permanent, you know, permanent, it has to grow out. So I decided to choose demi because I didn't want to have to keep coloring my hair with a semi, but I also didn't want to do a permanent because, like I said, I recently relaxed my hair. So yes, there'll be too much product. So I did the demi permanent with a 20 developer, and this is the color that we got. And then afterwards, I washed, conditioned, blow dried, and then what did I do? Oh, and then I did the flexi-rods. So I added the flexi-rods, and if anyone is asking why I put paper on the end of the flexi-rods before I put the flexi-rods in, it creates more of a smooth curl at the end, so you can control more of how the ends come out, and you don't end up with like the fish hooks and the little. So I think that is it. So keep watching. Thank you for watching. And let me know if you have any questions. Comment, share, like, and thank you so much for your support, for even clicking on to start to watch this video. So these are the curls for the girls. I love it. Love it. So. First thing we're going to do is section our hair into 4 sections. Now we're going to take our Demi Permanent Hair Color and our 20 developer. As you'll see, I'm pointing to the ratio. So it's going to be 1 tube and then 1.5 ratio of developer. So since the tube was 1.5 ounces, I did 2.5 ounces of developer. After we finish mixing that in, we're going to properly prepare ourselves. We're putting on our gloves, everyone. Safety first. So I'm not going to talk during this entire process. You can just see what's happening. I'm literally just applying the color to my hair. and making sure that it is saturated throughout the whole head. So right now I'm just taking some regular rubbing alcohol and just wiping it off in the places where it is not supposed to be. At this point, I already washed and conditioned, and I did my leave-in conditioner. If you want to see that routine, let me know. I can do that. So this is the Intense Therapy leave-in conditioner. This is supposed to stop breakage up to 98%. So now I am just going to blow dry my hair. Ooh. And I'm not doing it completely silky straight because I just need it to be like pretty much dry. It doesn't have to be bone straight dry. So right now I'm using Kenra mousse, and I'm just using a little bit on my ends, and then I'm taking the end wrap paper, and that is perfect to have your ends smooth so that you can have more control over where your ends are and how your ends are laid. We are all done. So now we went under the dryer for like 20-30 minutes, and then now we are taking out. You do not want to pull the rollers out. You want to try to keep the curl formation. See, not like that. Messed it up, jacked it all up, but it still came out nice. So now I am taking my Silk Essentials by Design Essentials and rubbing it between my palms, and then going to massage it through my hair as I separate the curls, making sure that the oils are getting through each curl to make sure each curl is nourished and shiny and moisturized. So this is it. We are done. This is the finished look. So now, only thing I have to do now, I'll probably take a comb and comb out the roots to really make it fluff up and get really, really big. But I don't want to do that right now because that will naturally happen over time. So I'm going to leave it the way it is. And I am extremely happy with the results. Thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.